Once upon a time, in a cozy little village, there lived a group of friendly animals. Among them was a sweet little kitten named Lily. Lily loved to play and explore the village, but was always told by her parents to stay close to home. One sunny morning, Lily's curiosity got the best of her, and she wandered off into the forest. She chased after colorful butterflies and hopped often fallen leaves, giggling with delight. But soon Lily realized that she was lost. She meowed for help, but no one seemed to hear her. Feeling scared and alone, Lily curled up into a tree and started to cry. Just then, she heard a gentle voice saying, "Are you okay, little one?" Lily looked up to see an old owl on a branch above her. Through tears, Lily told the owl that she was lost and didn't know how to find a way back home. The owl listened patiently and then said, "Don't worry, my dear. I will help you find your way home." The owl flew high above the forest with Lily clinging into his feathers. He guided her through the trees and across the stems until they finally reached the edge of the village. Lily's parents were overjoyed to see her face and sound. As they hugged tightly, Lily realized the importance of listening to her parents and staying close to home. She promised herself that she would never wander off again. The moral of the story is that it is essential to listen to the advice of those who care about us. By staying close to home and following the guidance of our loved ones, we can stay safe and avoid getting lost, just like Lily learned with the help of the old owl.